All right, so got a different video for you guys today. The channel's supposed to be about technology. I often mention this. I really just like solving problems, little life hacks, stuff like that. And so I just stumbled upon, once again, it's gonna sound a little bit strange, but I think it might help some people. Stumbled upon what I believe in all my years is the best shower head I've ever seen, ever used. So our bathroom, we're getting it renovated, so just bear with me. But we bought this. I'm gonna link it, don't worry. But this is the shower head. It comes with a companion piece that you magnetically lock to it. Now, and I know it's a shower head, guys, but who doesn't appreciate a really nice shower, okay? And we're gonna get into the details of why I think it's the best shower I've ever had. So, first of all, the way our shower works is we have two nozzles in there. So we're not using it this way, and I'll show you that in a second. But this is the way it's supposed to work, and then they each share this one line coming in. But here's the shower itself connected. I mean, look, it's massive. It is massive. It's just covers a lot of ground. Sorry for the echo. And here is the one that comes with it. This guy. And as you can see, it has a bunch of settings so you can make it go faster and all that. And I'm going to show you how well it works. So let's get into that real quick. And I'm going to show you why. You got to keep watching because I'm going to show you what you have to do to this to make it run this well. Okay, so let's start with this one. I mean, it's a pretty good shower. I know you got to experience it to appreciate it, but I'm hoping that gives you an idea. Okay. Now, that's that one, and then this one. And it's got all kinds of settings, you can change it as well. So, really, really good. Now, this is what I wanted to show you. Let's get into the nitty gritty really quick. So, it's the box. And I actually have two. I'm sending one back. I got the wrong color. But that helps for you guys because I get to show you some things. This is the magnetic stand that comes with it. It's in here. I'm not going to unwrap it, but it's in there. And then they give you extra regulators and stuff. Okay? And that's what I want to talk to you about. There is inside this hose on each side of it. Sorry, I'm all scratched up. I was doing some yard work. On each side of that, this and this, you just have to, when you look inside there, you're going to see a little gold ring. You have to take that out. A pair of pliers is how I got mine out. I didn't push a screwdriver under. I literally grabbed it with pliers and just pulled it off. Okay? That's one thing. And then, I think it's this guy. He has a washer inside of itself that has a mesh copper wire type. I don't even think it's a regulator. I think it catches stuff. But I took that out completely and used one of the spare washers they gave me and put it back in. I don't want anything blocking it. I understand it can create more problems faster inside the shower, but for $50, I will take my chances, okay? So, and I've done this for years. You know, you're probably gonna spend more money on water. I don't know how much you'll really see. Your hot water may run out faster using it this way, but this is an old trick where you just take the regulator out so the water doesn't come out slow and it just comes out blazing like I showed you. That's what you want. So you can just put something in the comments if it didn't make any sense. I tried to show you in the box. I thought I had an extra hose. I don't see it in there, so I can't show you. But basically you want to take the regulators off the hose, and I think you take the little washer out of here too that has the copper wiring and just put one of their extra black washers in. It comes with tape so you can lock it in well, and it's a good little setup. We'll see how long it lasts. You know, I was gonna make the decision of buying, going back to a Moen product, because Moen will just, for a lifetime, they'll replace your products. But you know, the one I want, it's like a couple $100 or more. And yes, it'll be lifetime replacement, but this will probably get me 3, 4, 5, probably 5 years at $50. I don't know. I'd rather have one that I really want. Moen doesn't make one that, I've never seen one that looks, you know, it's this big. It's not a pancake. It's more of a rectangle, but it's just covers so much ground. So never thought you'd see a shower head video on Your Tech Today, but you know what? Who doesn't love a good shower? And I'm telling you, I put it in. My wife, she's just, I don't know, she's going to tell me the truth. She's not going to humor me. And I told her, I think you're going to love this. And when she got out of the shower, she came in the kitchen, she's like, wow, that was amazing. And she just wouldn't have said that if it wasn't true. So, but you have to do the trick where you remove the regulator. And, you know, do that at your own expense or whatever, understand the consequences of that. But for us, it's always been worth it. We never use regulators in any of our faucets, sinks, anything. All right? I hope I didn't waste my time. I hope somebody appreciates this. I'll put a link in there, like I said, and let me know if you get one. Thanks.